Hello and welcome. In this video we will see answers of lesson 16 conjunctions. Exercise A. Here two sets of sentences are given in column A and column B. We have to match them and then we have to join them with the conjunction and, but, or. Okay. First number, Ansu won the competition. So first number will be matched with E number. She also won the race. And the sentence will be Ansu won the competition and the race. Second number, Rita wanted to buy a book. It will be matched with G. She did not have the money. And the answer will be Rita wanted to buy a book but did not have the money. Third number, Shima could go to the market. And this sentence will be matched with Radha could go to the market. A. Okay, third number will be matched with A number. And the sentence will be Seema and Radha could go to the market. Fourth, the truck carrying ad has overturned. This sentence will match with all ad material is lost. It will be matched with C number. And the statement will be the truck carrying ad has overturned and all ad material is lost. Fifth, you can take a bus to the station. And this will be matched with you can take a taxi to the station. And you will write statement like this. You can take a bus or a taxi to the station. Sixth number, Janaki will accompany me to the hostel. This sentence will match with Janaki will leave after that. And the statement will be Janaki will accompany me to the hospital and leave after that. Then 7 number, I have decided not to participate in the competition. This sentence will match with I will certainly attend it. Okay. And the statement will be I have decided not to participate in the competition, but I will certainly attend it. 8 number, the football team lost the first match. This will match with F number, that is the team has another chance to qualify. And the statement will be the football team lost the first match but it has another chance to qualify. Now exercise B, we will choose conjunction from the given box and fill the blanks. First number, neither is he good at his work nor does he wish to learn it. Second, Mary was late yet she finished the paper on time. Third, either take a bath or go for a swim. Fourth, she is both industrious and motivated. Fifth, Geeta as well as her sister has received a scholarship. Sixth, leave immediately or you will miss your flight. Seventh, the rescue workers were exhausted by the heat. Still they refused to cease work for a while. 8. The recent floods caused extensive damage to the village, but the school on the hillock was spared. 9th, neither do I want to learn French nor German. 10th, he did not put in adequate effort, so he failed the test. Exercise C. Here we have to join the given pairs of sentences by using coordinating conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? When a conjunction joins two independent statements or two equally important statements, then it is called coordinating conjunction. So let's see the answer. First, he is poor, comma, but he is happy. Second answer, it is raining, but I have to go out. Third, run fast or you will miss the bus. Fourth, I was angry, comma, yet I did not utter a word. Fifth, not only was the food tasty, but it was also inexpensive. Sixth, I do not know the details, comma, but I will find out for you. Seventh, Kushal bought both a pen and a calculator. Eighth, both Ravi and Shami were punished. Ninth, he is committed to his work, comma, so his employer loves him. 10th, Vivek did not leave the office on time, so he missed the last train. Exercise D. Here we have to use the conjunction given in the bracket and rewrite the sentences. And all these conjunctions are subordinating conjunction. First answer is already done. Second number answer, we eat that we may survive. Third number answer, I felt sorry as I realized my mistake. Fourth, because he was ill, he stayed at home. Fifth, wherever he goes, he wins respect. Sixth, unless I study hard, I will not succeed. Seventh, since no policeman was present, the thief escaped with ease. Eighth, the rains were so heavy that the crops were destroyed. Ninth, he is practicing hard so that he is selected in the school cricket team. 10. When she heard the news, she ran out of the house. And last number, the show had started before they reached the theatre. Exercise E. Here we will join the given sentences using suitable subordinating conjunctions. First answer, we were all very disappointed as his performance was poor. Second, I am taking a taxi because I do not want to be late for the function. Third, I will give him a prize if he does well. Fourth, where there is life, comma, there is hope. Fifth, the teacher found his bag where he had left it. The teacher found his bag where he had left it. Sixth, I cannot spare my notes because I have a test tomorrow. Seventh, if trust is lost once, comma, it is lost forever. 8. As soon as I got a phone call, comma, I left for my hometown. 9th, we did not invite him to the party because we did not know he was in the city. 10th, I prefer to visit the library since it has a better collection of books. Now last exercise F. Correct these sentences, focus on the use of conjunctions. First number, I will leave before my mother arrives. Second, he as well as his sister is responsible for the mess. Third, The earthquake was severe, yet the village was not affected. Fourth, the weather was fine, so the sea was calm. Fifth, it appears that his mother is in a foul temper. Sixth number, he checked my notes while I finished cooking. Seventh, no sooner did I received the news than I left for Mumbai. Eighth, he will accompany you if you desire it. Ninth, mother shall complete the portrait when she has time. 10. The management wanted to know whether he would accept the proposal. 11th, as soon as Jatin boarded the bus, it started. 12th, either Randhir or Raj has broken the plate.